Guys, I really wanted to show you. It's such a beautiful day outside. Take it in, not one cloud. Appreciate it. It's beautiful. Beautiful. I love it. Yeah, that's what I want to show you guys. I was not recording. Hi guys, good day. You don't know your girl Melica Skylife in a building. Oh, what a damn. Guys, today is Friday, December 31st. And I really wanted to see the lady that I was supposed to get the stuff for. Hi, good day. Hello. Hi. I really wanted to see the lady to give her the stuff. I'm pretty shy. Take a look at you. Beach is right over there. Hi, good day. The beach is right over there. It looks like a scene from a movie. It's so pretty today. So I did not get to get the card, but I have the stuff for her. I'm gonna go down there to see if I see her. Cause yesterday even I did a look for her, I never see her. I'm gonna want to the pass. I'm gonna give her the stuff. Once she get to fear New Year. So I'm gonna give her without the card. I'm not gonna tell you guys how much it is, because this is just a small token of my appreciation. And when I believe in a something like you tell people how much money I give people and something like, I kind of think it personal. I don't know if I'm wild or what, but I think I just fear money if you just know how much you get and she do what she want to do. You understand? Oh, this somebody message me. Yeah, so I'm gonna go to see if I see her. I'm so nervous. Kind of nervous with you. Yeah, so that me I gonna do now. The other day, I started a conversation with her. If you watch a vlog, go back and watch a vlog. I started a conversation with her just to like talk to her, because I never really spoken to her before. So hopefully she done it today and something. So happy New Year to you too. Alright. So oh, look at she down there and stuff. Oh dear. Tell me so she not done here. I hate the bikes. The fruit lady down there? Yeah. Okay. I think she ain't down there, you know. So she's there. I'm so excited to see her. Hi, good day, ma'am.
Hello.
How are you?
Okay.
You're fine?
No, I'm not fine.
What's up? What's happening?
Inside.
Inside, you're not feeling so well?
No.
Oh, so you went to the doctor? Do you mind coming on my video?
Where?
On my video. This is my video. Say hi.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm recording. So I brought something for you.
Okay.
You remember me the other day I told you that I was gonna come back?
Yes.
Yes, so I brought something for you. It's just a small little, you know?
I don't matter how
I didn't hear you.
I don't matter how it is. Small.
Yes.
So long as I get some.
Yeah. So you been to the doctor? You go to the doctor? You say you're not feeling good inside.
No.
You go to the doctor yet?
I don't went to doctor.
Okay, so you're gonna go?
Yes, I'm going to go.
Alright. If you have anything else I will try to come give you.
Okay.
Alright?
Okay.
Happy New Year.
Same to you.
Bye bye.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, she said she don't feel so good. You like it? Alright. Yeah. She said she don't feel so good inside, so if I have something else I can give to her, I will. I feel so good. She was happy to see me. She said she remember me. But now the ear cut. Alright. So that's that for the video. See you guys. Please remember, hello. So guys, I am actually back in office now. I must say it felt so good helping someone that you do not know. Like, yeah, it's a good feeling. It's a new year coming, so I hope we can find it in ourselves to help each other, not only financially, but you can help by giving advice. You can help by being a listening ear. There are many ways that you can help your fellow peers. Not just monetary wise. Support is one of the biggest things that a lot of us, especially entrepreneurs, do not have. So you can be that for someone for the new year. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. This is the last day in the new year. Please remember to subscribe and share with a friend. I really appreciate you guys for subscribing and continuing to watching my videos. Thank you very, very much, and big up on a damn clean self for the new year. Later.